Are you Tarzan?
Keep going.
Just right.
You want me to do it too?
No, he was saying Tarzan.
Oh. Yes, Tarzan.
Mom, just.
Mom, Tarzan?
Me, just.
You're Tarzan. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm Jane.
No.
Oh, I'm Nan.
Cheese.
Jeez.
What kind of cheese? String cheese?
Definitely had a lot of speed a year ago. Now has some more experience. But speaking of experience, that guy does. He's looking for a team.
Can you break dance?
Can you do the thing on the floor where you lay down and you are like a worm? Yeah, Nan, Mommy has some dirt on it.